the, or at least close to the Hanuman Gadi temple right now, at least till the point that the UP police or the SPG doesn't chase us away from here. But that hasn't happened right now because I guess it's early in the morning. I'll ask Ashwini to first pan this side and show you the security arrangements a little. So you have the police putting up barricades at the entry point to the Hanuman Gadi temple. And they're not allowing anyone without a pass. They're not allowing anyone to go this side in a vehicle unless it's a police or administration vehicle. You have, I'll just walk a little ahead and show you the entry gate, as Ashwini will also pan to this welcome gate that's been put up. So a lot of Ayodhya has been decked up, Gargi, as we all know and we've been reporting in the last some time, for the Prime Minister's visit. Now, Hanuman Gadi is important because Hanuman Gadi is the first place where the Prime Minister will be. This is the place where he will visit first. Why is Hanuman Gadi significant, Gargi? Hanuman Gadi is significant because it is a centuries-old temple and it is also the seat of Lord Hanuman. So the belief is that if you come here first and you offer your prayers to Lord Hanuman, then those prayers can reach Lord Ram directly. I mean, that's what a priest there told me yesterday. But like I said, you can see the arrangements here. That gate, if I can just walk a little ahead, Ashwini, that gate that you see over there, where CEO Saab is there and asking us to move a little behind, but we'll just take our chances and go a little here and show you that gate. So that is the gate from which the Prime Minister will enter and go inside. And you can see that it's been totally decked up, like I said. And even otherwise, all of these areas here, they've put up a lot of flowers, they've put up a lot of lighting, so it looks a little better in the night, of course. But even now, you have a whole host of security arrangements. And you have the police here in full force. As we get closer to the Prime Minister arriving, Gargi, which is I guess a little later in the day, then you'll have more strictness here. So we will also be put beyond those barricades and no vehicular movement will be allowed here. There was a mock drill yesterday for close to 3 hours when they did the same thing. They shut off this entire area. So this is what is happening today, but I think the larger story also is of the occasion. The fact that such a landmark moment has arrived in this town with the Prime Minister visiting, and there's a entirely different story there about faith and politics and perhaps the intermingling of that. But on the ground right now, I can tell you that there are a lot of administrative officials already on duty, the cops on duty. It's been raining, but they've been here for a long time, and they've been manning these barricades. For instance, if I can just go back this side again and show you, these are policemen who've been doing their duty continuously ever since yesterday, day before. They have had no rest. But the Prime Minister is going to come here in a while and going to spend about 3 hours in this temple town, Gargi.
Right.